Hello everybody, Mustang Timmy 99 here. So, I got my RTR grill put in today, and I absolutely love it. It definitely makes this car look sexy as hell. Especially with the RTR spoiler. And since this is the ecoboost, the air intake is of course right here. And on the other side, it's blocked off. But I absolutely love it. So I would highly recommend getting this if it's your style. Again, this is the RTR grill. Again, thank you everybody for the support. I really do appreciate it. And remember, you ain't first, you're last.